In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes to specific layers in Draw.io for Confluence or Jira. First, make sure you have your diagram open in Draw.io inside your Confluence page or Jira issue. Once your diagram is visible, you'll want to bring up the Layers panel. To do that, go to the menu bar at the top, click on View, and then select Layers. This will open a small panel, usually on the right or left side of your screen, showing you all the layers in your current diagram. Each layer listed there represents a separate stack of content. You can think of layers like transparent sheets placed on top of each other. This makes it easier to organize complex diagrams, hide or show groups of shapes, or lock certain elements so they aren't accidentally moved. Before you add any new shapes, you need to choose the layer you want to work on. In the Layers panel, click once on the name of the layer you want to target. When you've selected it correctly, that layer will be highlighted in blue. That blue highlight is important because it tells you which layer is currently active. Any new shape you add while that layer is active will automatically be placed on that specific layer. Now that your target layer is active, you can start adding shapes. On the left side of the editor, you'll see the Shapes library. You can either drag a shape directly from that panel onto your canvas, or click a shape and then click on the canvas where you want it to appear. Because the layer you selected is highlighted in blue, everything you add during this time will belong to that layer. If you ever realize a shape landed on the wrong layer, double-check which layer is active in the Layers panel. Simply click the correct layer so it turns blue, and then add the shape again, or cut the existing shape and paste it while the correct layer is active. A helpful tip is to name your layers clearly, based on their purpose, such as background, annotations, or connectors. This makes it much easier to select the right layer before adding shapes. Also, if you're not sure where a shape lives, you can temporarily hide or show layers using the visibility icons in the Layers panel and see which elements disappear or reappear. By consistently selecting the right layer first, watching for that blue highlight, and then dragging or placing shapes onto the canvas, you'll keep your diagrams organized, easier to edit, and much more manageable in Confluence or Jira.